Imagine diagnosing cancer by examining a digital image so detailed. It's like scanning a cityscape under a microscope. That's the reality for pathologists working with whole slide images, WSI, gigapixel scans of tissue samples that hold critical clues about disease. But analyzing these images manually is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking approach that's transforming how AI tackles this challenge. GMAT, a framework that bridges the gap between raw data and clinical expertise. WSIs are like digital puzzles. Each slide contains millions of microscopic image patches, and traditional methods, like multiple instance learning, treat them as a bag of instances. The problem? These methods rely on simplistic labels like cancer or non-cancer, which fail to capture the nuanced details pathologists see. Enter vision language models, VLMs, like CLIP, which pair images with text to improve classification. But here's the catch. Early approaches use generic prompts or LLM-generated descriptions that lack the medical specificity needed for precise diagnosis. That's where GMAT steps in. Short for grounded multi-agent clinical text generation, this framework solves two critical issues. First, it replaces one-size-fits-all prompts with rich, clinically grounded descriptions. Second, it employs a team of specialized agents. Think of them as a squad of medical experts, each focusing on a different aspect of a disease, like cell structure, molecular markers, or tissue architecture. Here's how it works. The system starts by pulling curated knowledge from pathology textbooks, creating a shared foundation for all agents. Then specialized agents take over. One might draft a description of cancer cells' irregular shapes, another checks for specific molecular markers, and a third ensures the language aligns with medical standards. These pieces are stitched together into structured, multi-layered prompts. Think of them as detailed roadmaps for the AI to follow. The proof is in the data. When tested on kidney and lung cancer datasets, GMAT outperformed single-prompt methods and matched state-of-the-art models. By using multiple descriptions per class instead of one, the system captures subtle details that single prompts miss. For example, instead of just saying cancer, it might describe abnormal cell proliferation with nuclear atypia and disrupted tissue architecture. This richer context helps the AI align images with text more accurately. So why does this matter? GMAT bridges the gap between raw data and clinical expertise, making AI tools more reliable for pathologists. It's not just about faster analysis, it's about embedding the nuance of human knowledge into machine learning. As we push the boundaries of digital pathology, innovations like GMAT are paving the way for more accurate, accessible cancer diagnostics. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI is reshaping medicine, hit subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge research. Until next time, stay curious. But let's dig deeper. How does GMAT handle the challenge of zero-shot learning, where models analyze unseen medical images? The key lies in its multi-agent design. Researchers tested GMAT against a baseline model using single-class descriptions and found a significant leap in performance. On the TCGA-Lung dataset, for instance, GMAT boosted the model's ability to distinguish cancerous from non-cancerous tissue, from an AUC of 0.6767 to 0.7226. That's like upgrading from a shaky guess to a confident diagnosis. Even when fine-tuned with limited data, GMAT held its own. On TCGA-Lung, it outperformed a leading model called VLM across all metrics. On TCGA-RCC, it showed a slight edge in accuracy. The secret? Structured, collaborative prompts that align better with the complex patterns in medical images. GMAT isn't just a technical advancement, it's a paradigm shift. By mimicking the collaborative expertise of human pathologists, it transforms AI from a tool of approximation into a partner in precision. As we continue to refine these systems, the future of medicine looks brighter, 1 gigapixel at a time.